The transmission transmits mechanical power from the engine to the drive wheels, providing your vehicle with a wide range of performance. As manufacturers seek to improve performance and meet ever-increasing fuel economy standards, the automatic transmission is becoming more and more complex. It is a finely tuned mechanical marvel with precision valves and a maze of small passages through which transmission fluid passes. A properly working automatic transmission changes gears without the driver's involvement, utilizing complex hydraulic and mechanical controls that sense vehicle speed and throttle pedal position. Today's driver need only put the vehicle in drive and press the accelerator to go. Transmission fluid, the lifeblood of the transmission, must be delivered to the right place at the right time and in the right volume in order for your transmission to operate efficiently. Over time, all transmission fluid becomes contaminated, and as this critical fluid deteriorates, your transmission doesn't operate as designed, leading to declining performance and potentially costly repairs. As a vehicle owner, you are already familiar with the need to change your engine oil at regular intervals. The same is true for your transmission fluid. With today's transmission repair costs climbing higher and higher, regularly scheduled transmission services are a wise investment. A complete transmission service chemically cleans and conditions your vehicle's transmission, replacing worn fluid with fresh fluid containing a full dose of protective additives. Ask your professional service consultant about scheduling a complete transmission service to extend the life of your transmission.